Hey, how is it going, Kent? This is Janice from SEO Digital Kearney, and I make this free quick custom video to show you 3 easy ways so you can beat your competition online. You might be asking why making this video for business owners, because we already found out a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. I found out by giving these templates that still have some of the business owners will ask me, "Oh, Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if at the end of this video, if you see I got a few tricks that I can do good job for you, give me a call and we can chat, or you can use this information by yourself by all means. That's okay. This is free education. About the 3 things that we're going to talk about is content, backlinks, and citation. So content is anything on the front page on your website. Whenever Google gonna determine whether to rank you or when gonna rank you, there's a reason. Why? Because there's a robot out there to scan all your front page and read all the content. So in Google like to see at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words, and also depend on your competition too. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. Example, if you are a roofer in Oxon Hill, Maryland, you want to tell Google that, so it can tell users that you exist. So as I see your website here, it looks so great, and I love the click button to call here, and you can email directly, and also a free estimate. And also important that all your photos have to be put in the content too. And I'm using the keywords to search is that roofers in Oxon Hill, Maryland. This is the Google guarantee, and this is the Google Map Pack. And this is the organic listing. So you have to be in top 3 in organic listing, but of course we do not include all these directories. And as for your competition, the first top one will be this hrfroofingcontractors.com. So I'm using this program named RF here to show you a simple analytic of your website. So your UR is 24 and DR is 0.9. UR is the power for your website in Google, and DR is a trust in your website in Google. And your backlinks have 1,500, but you only have 57 referring domains only. And your keywords is 134, and your organic traffic is 35 per month only. And I would like to show your competition is that for their analytics is that their UR and DR is 26 and 2.7. It will be the best that in between 30 to 40 is considered a strong site. So you have to boost the number so that Google can trust you more. As for their backlinks is 138 and referring domains is 62. As a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local website will work best. And as their keywords I have like 628, as for their organic traffic is 468, which is much more a lot from you. So let's look into their keywords. And as for the keywords, you have to use the right keywords too. You have to be the service and the location, because these are the potential client that looking for service in that area. So like roof replacement pros Rockville, the volume search per month is 1,300. Roof replacement pros Gettysburg is 900 volume search per month. and there are more keywords, like in Silver Spring is 300. So these are the keywords volume search that you might miss out. So the position of the keywords is mostly on top one page here. So I want to talk about citation. So citation is in this Google Map pack here. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you to rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, Yellow Pages, and hundreds of others you may heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do let me know some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. As I said, you can use it for your own use too. So thank you. Have a great day.